In this video, we're going to explore Anna's morning routine, and in the end, I will teach you the words in yellow. Every day, Anna wakes up at 7 AM. She hears her alarm ringing and slowly opens her eyes. She stretches her arms and yawns before getting out of bed. First, Anna goes to the bathroom to brush her teeth. She squeezes some toothpaste onto her toothbrush and brushes her teeth for 2 minutes. Afterwards, she washes her face with cold water to feel more awake. Next, she heads back to her bedroom to get dressed. Anna likes to wear comfortable clothes, so she picks out her favorite jeans and a t-shirt. Then, she combs her hair and ties it into a ponytail. Once she's ready, Anna goes to the kitchen to make breakfast. She usually has a healthy breakfast. Today, she makes a bowl of porridge with bananas and honey. While she eats, she drinks a glass of orange juice. After breakfast, Anna checks her phone for messages and emails. She quickly replies to her friends and then gets her school bag ready. She packs a notebooks, pens, and a bottle of water. At 8 AM, Anna puts on her shoes and jacket. She opens the front door, steps outside, and takes a deep breath of fresh air. It's time to go to school. Stretch. To extend your body or limbs to full length, often after waking up. After waking up, Anna stretches her arms above her head. Yawn. To open your mouth wide and take a deep breath, usually when tired or sleepy. Anna yawned as she sat up in bed. Squeeze. To press something firmly, often to extract something from it. Anna squeezed some toothpaste onto her toothbrush. Ponytail. A hairstyle where the hair is pulled back and tied together at the back of the head. After brushing her hair, Anna tied it into a ponytail. Porridge. A hot cereal typically made from oats, boiled in milk or water. For breakfast, Anna ate a bowl of porridge with honey and bananas. Thanks for watching. If you want to continue learning, check this video out.